Doesn't his dinner look a little bit prettier than mine? I don't like the way mine looks. Alright, maybe if I crumple it up, my meat like his, I think that's what makes it all the difference. This also needs something in it. Do you know what it's missing? You know what these meals are missing? These meals are missing color. Ooh, it would be nice if we had a red pepper. Too bad I don't know how to grow peppers. Too bad I don't have any money. Hello, if you guys want to send us some money so that we can not worry about things and be able to spend things on red peppers and things like that. Yeah, that'd be cool. Or you can donate a plant to us. Of course, you need our address to do that. Which means you'd have to be on our email list. There is a way of getting on our email list. I don't remember how it is right now. So if I remember, I'll put it in the comments. Alright, lots of love. Love you guys. This needs green. Oh, I guess it does actually have some greens in there. No, but it needs more greens. It needs color, carrots, or anything orange or red or purple or green. Yes. Make sure your meals never are just plain colors. I'm going to try to think of what I can add to this. Maybe some avocado. We were kind of running low. I didn't harvest anything outside. Ooh, that's what it needs. Garlic greens. You know what? Garlic greens are, it's an end of everything. I think I will go send, even though it's wet outside, I think it's done raining. We'll have Kiddo get some garlic greens. Haha. There we go. So, Kiddo went very nicely out to the garden and collected some fresh garlic greens for me. I chopped them all up. Stuck a little bit in his. He's probably not going to like them because they're not very cut up. Oh well. And I also stuck in... Ooh, should I do that with his too? Ooh, I think I will, but I'll put a lot less in his. I won't put any of the... so I put some... What do you call this? The orange stuff? It could be curry you could use. I don't have any curry, but I did have some... What's it called? Turmeric. So I put some turmeric just so I could have some color in there because I like my meals to have a little bit more color. And I also found a bag of red pepper, old red pepper from restaurants. Back in the day when my husband was around, we used to actually go out to eat, which was very nice. Oh, I miss him taking us out places. I miss my ex-husband. You know, you have no idea. I just missed his existence in our life and him sharing life with us. What was I saying? Oh, right, red pepper flakes. And so even though I'm not a big person into spicy food, I certainly would never put them in Kiddo's meal. He would like flip out and wouldn't eat it. It is nice to have a little bit of extra flavor. So there's a little bit of red, a little bit of orange, a little bit of green. And so it's all pretty and it's healthy. And turmeric is wonderful for you. You should check out our video on orange pizza. Hopefully Kiddo will put a link to it. Okay, maybe I'll put a touch of turmeric in his. Maybe I'll let him put a touch of turmeric in there. Just enough to give it a little, not changing the flavor necessarily, but just a dash of color. Alright. And when I forced him, I said he had, no, I didn't force him. I went against his wishes and I dumped some of the garlic greens into his ramen noodle soup. Normally, if we was in season, I would suggest moringa leaves, which are actually better for kids to enjoy. It has less flavor changing. And that's what he would love. And actually, moringa is wonderful for that, if you're trying to sneak greens into your kid. But Kiddo's getting used to the garlic greens, so. And it's only a couple. Here, I'll show you what see, it's not very much. It's just a tiny, tiny little garlic chives or yeah, you know, some kind of little chive in there just to give it a little bit of color. They can pick it out if they really have to, but usually they don't. Okay, or at least mine doesn't. Okay, back to this one. And anyways, thank you for watching. Please send us $1 on patreon.com/KEE or makersupport.com/Credit Eagle. Just $1 connection. And, you know, just celebrating us. We celebrate you. You are valued. You are important. You are special. Everything is good, and we appreciate you being a part of our life. Sorry for our messy kitchen, but, you know, we're keeping it real. And we're also trying to get so much done that not always does it get clean. And sorry for the DE everywhere. That's what the white stuff is that you see. We're trying to... yeah. Long story. Okay. Anyways. Alright. Lots of love. Sending love, 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 love. I would turn around and have my picture of my face, but I don't really like my face. So we're just gonna look at the food. Talk to you later. Bye. Squish. Yum. Eat well, eat healthy. Remember, any meal can be turned into healthiness. You don't have to be rich to eat healthy. Yum.